From a standing position, feet under your hips and shoulders stacked over your hips, inhale the arms up. And exhale, bend the knees, fold forward. Bend the knees as much as you need to comfortably rest your palms on the ground. So you can come all the way down if you'd like. And then step your feet back one at a time into a nice, comfortable, wide position. Your feet are still just about hip width apart. The distance between your hands and your feet depends on your body's type. And you can begin by pedaling your heels a little bit back and forth. And when you're ready to come to a neutral position, you can keep your knees bent if you'd like, just again relaxing your belly toward the thighs. Or if there's a bit of room, you can start to lengthen the legs, bringing them into a straighter position. Your hands, you can imagine sinking into the ground as if in sand. So you're pressing through all those little muscles in your hands, through the palms of your hands, through the fingers. Everything's engaged there, which helps bring a deep opening and a pressing back, which also presses your shoulders down your spine and away from your ears, allowing your neck and head to relax and be long. Imagine your hips lifting up as your belly relaxes, softens, and presses towards the spine. And when you're ready, you can bend the knees, drop them gently to the ground, and come back to a neutral position.